crazy kids, it's me, Crystal, again. Lexi isn't here because she's in Utah for the summer. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime. So let's get on with the video. For this slime, you're going to be needing borax, which is optional. One container of school glue. You're going to be needing food coloring. You're going to be needing measuring spoons, which is you're going to be needing the 1 teaspoon. You're going to actually be needing a measuring cup, a cup, like a regular cup, a spoon, and a bowl. And I'm going to be putting some glitter in mine, which you do not have to do that. So the first step is to pour stand up real quick. Is to be pouring this whole thing in the tin. So, 1 second. Just open this real quick. I'm going to pour this whole thing in here. Come on, get out. Okay. The next thing you're going to have to fill the glue thing with water. Okay, that's filled up. And then put that aside and then get your food coloring, which is optional. You can use any color, any kind. Well, it has to be the liquid, but you're going to put 8 drops of food coloring. You can mix and put like 4 in one and 4 colors in one, 4 colors in another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like you can, if you want like purple, you can put 4 red and 4 blue. So that's, and then you're going to put the cap back on the glue. Make sure the cap is shut. Make sure it's shut. It's like leaking all over me. I don't think it's. There we go. And then you're going to shake it really good. And then after you shake it, you're going to pour the water into this so it can get all the extra glue in. And then you're going to stir it really good. So it's like, and then you're going in a different bowl, which is like I'm using a cup. You're going to add half a cup of water into a cup. So I'm going to again go over to the sink, turn the water on, and add half a cup. It's half a cup. And pour it into the cup. And then let's go back over to my table. And you're going to add 2 teaspoons of borax. You get the borax. going to have to go over to the sink for this because I don't want to make a big mess. Okay, the borax. Just gotta set you right here for a minute. Let's find 1 teaspoon, which is this one. 1 teaspoon. And put, forgot the cup. Make a cup of water. Add 2 teaspoons of borax. There's 1 teaspoon. And 2 teaspoons of borax. Leave the borax and the teaspoons over here. And I'm going to take the cup of water with the borax and stir it get a different spoon. Get a teaspoon, actually. These are in the sink. Here's one. Gotta take one of these. It's a really long spoon. And then stir it. And then I'm going to stir the borax and make sure it's all dissolved. And you're supposed to put half a cup of hot water, which I forgot to put hot, so oops for me. I did this wrong, so I'm going to have to restart this quickly because I forgot to put hot water. I said to put hot water. Dump that out. Make it hot. Takes a little bit to get hot. Okay, now it's hot. Turn it down. Now let's go. Again, get half a cup. Just half a cup. And add it to this. Now it's hot, so the borax will actually dissolve. Now let's get the borax. Enough here. Let's get 1 more teaspoon. Come here, borax. Here's 2 teaspoons of borax. Now, let's go back and the table. Stir this. Let's let that dissolve. Sticking to the spoon. Hold on 1 second. And then, how I'm going to do this, I'm going to have to set you guys down while I do this. So you're going to add, I'm just going to add a pinch of glitter. Let's do pink. No, green. Since my slime's green. I'm going to add a little bit of glitter. Just gotta add the rest of this green glitter in here. The rest of that glitter. Put that back in the bag. Now I'm gonna stir this for a minute. Forgot to add my glitter before. Okay, now I'm gonna have to sit you guys down. What I'm gonna do, you have to do is pour your borax in a little bit at a time and then stir. So, you guys gonna have to sit you down while I do this. Put a little bit in. See, I pour a little bit in right there. See, this is already the texture. You don't want to add. It's not even going up on this. You don't want to add too much borax. Then it's gonna be like too hard. Just add a little bit more. Let's stir. Getting really hard to stir now. I'm gonna have to see for a second. A little bit more borax. And then stir. Now I'm gonna have to get in with my hands. This might get a little bit messy here. Okay, I'm gonna have to set you guys down. Spoon out. A little bit more borax. Now, I have to mix it with my hands now. It's all gooey. It's too liquidy, well, I think. It's gonna turn out. I think I add a little bit too much borax. Make sure not to add too much borax. Because the recipe I got offline didn't really work so well. I think followed it just how it said to, but the glitter is really not coming out. I don't know where all the glitter went. See, if you go to Gillian Bauer, and you can make like glitter slime where you use glitter glue instead of regular glue, and that turns out really good. But I'll be right back. I just have to go empty out the rest of this borax that's in here. Now there's not so much borax in it. Now it's all sticky. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully this worked for you. It didn't work so good out for me, see? But hope you enjoyed.